Welcome to part 3 of the V8 S10 install. Today I'm going to be working on getting the new radiator inside the core support. However, I'm not running air conditioning, so I don't need the condenser inside. So I'm going to tuck it all the way down. So let me open up the box, do some test measurements, and we can go from there. I can probably use this, cut it in strips, as my bottom and top support. So I can reuse that. Alright. So I'm just going to do my cut lines here. Kind of lucked out. I have this great big empty gap here. So I'm just going to cut the farther back piece and lay that into it. Kind of lucky. Then up top, draw my line, make my notch. Yeah, I think we're going to be good.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
So with a little finessing, I was able to get the radiator completely inside the core support. I still got to make some brackets yet. And I left enough space here where I can box this in and still be able to get the cap off. I still got a little bit more notching to do here, but I feel very confident that this is going to work just fine. So I finished the core support up. I welded the plate back in over here to the sides. The top, I just put a rubber on it. That's what you'd normally put around your door edges for your car door. Same with the top here, just kind of wrapped it around so you don't cut yourself. And I actually cut myself, you see my thumb, I cut myself putting it on, so I know it needed it. Then I got door gasket. Normally what you would do to keep your car doors closing, and yeah. And that's going to protect the radiator itself inside. I'm going to show you how that is give me 1 second, I'll put it in. Alright, and here it is. So when it's up, that's what it will look like. And most importantly, you can get to all of this without cutting yourself. Lots of room, lots of room. And on the front side, see down here, it actually pushes up against it. So keeping it completely away from everything else. So we're solid.